You guys ready for the big review? Hey y'all, so right now I am about to make some patties. In the Caribbean we call it, well here in St. Maarten we call it pastiches, same thing. We're going to the beach today again. Y'all, I could go to the beach every day, so I decided to make some patties because not every beach has like a bar or a restaurant, so you have to bring your own stuff sometimes. And we usually just bring like snacks, chips, cookies. I'm like, let me just make a little extra, so I'm about to make some patties right now. I'm making cheese and chicken, so yeah, excited about that. I'm gonna show you guys how I make mine. It's very simple. I don't think I'm gonna do like a full in-depth cooking video. If you guys want the recipe, comment down below and you can have it. I'll definitely give it to y'all, but this is just watch me make it. Hopefully everything comes out good. They're always good, so why would it be any different this time? Anyway, I'm gonna head to the kitchen and start prepping because it takes some time. You have to leave the dough to rise a little bit, so that all takes time. So let's go.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So this is how it came out. This is the cheese, and a few of them burst, but it's okay. And this is the meat. As you can see, I started doing them big and I ran out of dough, so I had to do them a little smaller in order to make enough for everybody. But yeah, I haven't tasted any. My mom tasted one, she said they're good, so I'm gonna ask my nephew to come taste them. I have my nephew right here, he's gonna taste it. Y'all, I'm a little scared because you know these kids are brutally honest. So go ahead, mister. It cool? You need to give me an honest opinion. So now?
I don't touch this chicken, like normal chicken.
What?
All I taste is chicken.
All you taste is this chicken?
Like this is not anything.
It is a chicken pastiche. What else do you expect to taste?
So good.
But does the chicken taste good?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. So my sister about to taste one also. How it is? Crunchy, no? I like it crunchy and airy. I don't like when it has like a lot of dough.
Good.
Y'all heard it? It's good!
Really good.
You just fronted for the camera? No? Okay.
Yeah,
Well-
what's dry, but it's dry. Good, nice and soft. Tasty.
Here you have it, folks. So we made it to another beach. And honestly, it's like 2 days later. This is the beach where we're at. Very nice. Here I can surf ashore. The water feels looks so nice and warm, and it's also very shallow. What's up, y'all? So right now I'm getting ready to get my hair done. Y'all heard right, I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going blonde today once again. Now hear me out. I'm going to a local hairdresser, and I was told that she's the best of the best in coloring, in styling, especially like short hair. So I was like, well, why not try it? I'm already here, so might as well try it out. And y'all know I wanted it to go blonde from the beginning. Y'all know the story. So this is the last time I'm trying to get my hair to achieve this style that I actually wanted from the beginning. Well, not the style, mostly the color, because I can't achieve the style anymore because my hair is like pretty low. From the beginning, my goal was to have my hair blonde, and I'm gonna try it out for the last time. I mean it this time. This is the last time I'm trying it out. If it, hopefully, let me just don't put any negativity on it. It's gonna come out great. This is what my hair looks like right now. This is actually, is it 2 months since my bald chop? I did it in May, so May to June, June to July, so it's like 2 months. This is 2 months of hair growth since I did my big chop. So I'm excited, a little nervous, because you all know what happened the last time. But yeah, hopefully she doesn't have to cut it, because I don't want to cut my hair. But you know, sometimes, well, not sometimes, I think mostly when you bleach your hair, the ends are like a little straight and you have to cut it. But I don't have much, so I'm hoping that that won't be the case. But if that is the case and she has to cut a little bit, then so be it. But yeah, y'all, I don't believe I'm doing this again. But this time around, I'm more at ease, because I'm on the islands. Number one, it's a hairdresser that does natural hair. She does, you know, black hair, and that is important. She knows what she's doing, I was told. And we're gonna see. So I'm just getting my things ready. I want to film it. I don't know if I'm allowed to. Hopefully I can. If I can't, then you guys are just gonna have to wait and just see the finishing product. But yes, that is what I'm doing right now. But I also feel like this color got a little reddish since I'm in the sun like every day. It did turn just a little bit, nothing too crazy, but I'm ready for this new look. You guys know how bad I wanted this blonde, so hopefully everything goes good. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I remember the last time it took what, like the entire day to get my hair done. So hopefully she finished while the sun is up, so I can show you guys how it looks in natural light. If not, then tomorrow's another day. You guys, I'm back home, obviously. You guys ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! This is it, y'all. I have to get used to it, and that doesn't mean that I don't like it. I just have to get used to it because it's different. Let me just do a whole 360 for you guys. I was trying to film it in natural light for you guys, but it was raining today and it was dark and gloomy, so it didn't really make a difference whether I film right now at night or during the day. So she said it's gonna get lighter in the coming days, and that's what I'm hoping on, because I really wanted to get a little lighter than this. I was going to do finger waves, but I changed my mind. It just had her curl it, so it's cute like this. Well, I just have to sleep on it, I guess. And I promised myself, and I mean it this time, I'm not doing anything else to my hair. So if I wake up tomorrow morning and I don't like it, well, it is what it is. I'm not gonna mess with my hair again. And you guys, as you notice, my curl pattern, it's still there. The first time when I went to the salon, I had no curl pattern and my curls are still intact. So kudos to her, she did her thing. But I'm not going to do anything else to my hair, y'all. I'm just gonna leave it grow out. She did give me a developer. Since I don't live on the island, I asked her, you know, to if she can tell me which developer she used, and I bought one from her. So in about 4 to 6 weeks I can apply the developer on my hair. But other than that, I'm not doing anything else to my hair. I promise. It is what it is. It's staying just like this, whether I like it or not. I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to start over again with a shaved head. So yes, I wanted to do like a full beat makeup, you know, earrings, so you guys could get like the full look. Well, it's not that you guys not getting the full look, but you know, wanted to clean up a little bit. But it's nighttime and it just doesn't make sense. And I want to film it tomorrow in the sunlight, so you also can see like what the color really looks like. But yeah, I think it's growing on me, right? Comment below, let me know what you think. So right now I'm about to try the TikTok lash hack. I need to get my lashes done. I can get them done here, but I don't want that, so I'm gonna try the hack. The lashes I'm using are these are the lashes I'll be using, along with this adhesive. Both are from Ardell Professional. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but it can't be that difficult, right? It looks very easy, so I'm hoping to get it right with one try. I'm gonna pour some of the adhesive in here. That's a little bit too much. Okay, you guys, I did say I wasn't gonna mess with my hair anymore, and actually I didn't. I just toned my hair. As you can see in the previous clip, my hair in natural light is like a yellow, it's like yellowish, and it just wasn't doing it for me. This has nothing to do with the salon or the hairdresser, because she gave me exactly what I wanted. The picture I showed her from Pinterest was exactly like this, but it just ain't the right tone for me. I thought it was gonna look cute on me, but no. So after some days of thinking about it, I went ahead and toned my hair with the Wella T28, and I wasn't really feeling that either. So a few days later I toned it once again with the Wella T14. In the following clip, you guys are gonna see how it turned out. I like it and I find it much better with my skin tone. Hey you guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in familiar spaces. I'm back home. I've been home for a few days now, and honestly all I've been doing is sleeping, because y'all, I'm tired. I didn't get to film much of my last days in St.Maarten, but yeah, right now I'm in my living room turning it upside down because I want to do a photo shoot for my birthday. And since this is very last minute, I don't have time to book a photo shoot. I've decided to do it myself. I'll have my sister take my pics, but I have this vision that I'm trying to create in my living room, and this is what I have going on. I removed one half of my couch, so I have this part, and I have the rug that was in my closet. I placed it here, and my wall is messed up, y'all, because I removed my wall art and I have like holes that needs to be filled. I need to paint this part over. So what I'm thinking is I have this linen curtain that I'm gonna stick right here with duct tape because I don't want to create any more holes, and that should hide this part of the wall. I'm also gonna add some decor pieces, just trying to make the vision come to life. Let's zoom in so you guys can see. So I have it taped down. I think I need to add a little bit more tape because it doesn't look like it's that secure, but hopefully it stays up until the shoot. So this is what I ended up with. I still have to fix the curtains, but this is it. Okay guys, so we just finished wrapping up the photo shoot. I love how the pictures came out, even though it was very last minute and I did it in my house, in my living room. This is your sign to just do your thing. If you don't have the time or even the money to book yourself a photo shoot, y'all just get to work. Go on Pinterest, go on YouTube, look for inspiration and just do your thing, because these pictures are fire and you wouldn't think it was in my house. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram to see how they came out. The link will be down below, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.